SEALSQ and WISE SatSpace are teaming up to build what they describe as the world's first commercial quantum spatial orbital cloud, QSOC, a space-based cybersecurity platform designed to deliver quantum-safe communications and services globally. This would involve deploying a 100-satellite constellation that will provide quantum key distribution, QKD, quantum random number generation, QRNG, and post-quantum identity services as a subscription-based cloud offering for governments, enterprises, financial institutions, and defense agencies. Deployment is planned in phases through full operational capability by 2033, with a target 99.9% uptime service level agreement. The business model mirrors terrestrial cloud computing, since WiseSat will own and operate the physical space infrastructure, including satellite design, manufacturing, launches, and mission operations, while SEALSQ will run the cloud layer. This means SEALSQ controls the quantum technology stack, software, security architecture, and customer relationships, purchasing long-term capacity from WiseSat without bearing the capital costs of building and maintaining the satellite network. The structure allows each company to specialize. WiseSat focuses on high-value orbital infrastructure, while SEALSQ scales recurring cloud revenues. This separation is described as critical to scalability and aligns incentives similarly to hyperscale data center models. WiseSat is rewarded for delivering reliable, high-performance infrastructure, while SEALSQ is incentivized to drive adoption of quantum-secure services across industries. QSOC prepares commercial infrastructure to respond to the anticipated risk that quantum computers will eventually break current encryption standards like RSA and elliptic curve cryptography. CEO Carlos Moreira framed the initiative as a necessary evolution, arguing that quantum threats are inevitable and that QSOC represents the orbital layer needed to secure financial systems, critical infrastructure, and national security communications in the quantum era. The companies stress that the scientific groundwork for space-based quantum communication is already proven. Examples include China's Mikias satellite, which demonstrated long-distance QKD, and major government-backed initiatives such as Europe's EuroQCI and the U.S. National Quantum Initiative, which has directed more than $3 billion in funding. However, these efforts have largely remained in the research or government domain. SEALSQ and WiseSat aim to differentiate by offering a commercially operated, SLA-backed platform accessible to any organization worldwide. From a technology standpoint, QSOC combines satellite-based quantum communication with SEALSQ's expertise in post-quantum semiconductors and cryptography. The goal is to create a global, space-based quantum internet layer capable of delivering secure encryption keys, certified randomness, and identity services resistant to future quantum attacks. This would enable persistent, highly secure communications across sectors such as banking, defense, healthcare, and industrial systems. While still subject to approvals and long-term execution risk, the project represents an ambitious move to commercialize quantum security at scale, transitioning it from experimental capability to a global service platform. Sort of like the global reach of the stock market, which you can observe with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.